Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to fund your account in Pocket Option using Bitcoin. As you saw in previous tutorials, we funded and withdrew from our account using various methods. Now to fund the account with Bitcoin, click on the top up button, and then click on Choose Another from the available methods. On this page we select Bitcoin, BTC from the available methods. As you saw, the minimum amount for depositing this currency is $5. Enter your amount in this section, and if you have a promo code, you can enter it here. You also have the option how to choose a gift from the options below. We click the Continuum Pay option. On the next page, destination address and the exact amount will be shown to us. We go into our personal wallet on our mobile phone. We select the desired currency, which is BTC, and we click on the Send option. In the first part, we need to copy the address. And in the second part, you enter the exact amount, or you can easily make the deposit by scanning the displayed barcode by clicking this option. We click on the Next option. Here, the sender's address, the destination address, the fee amount, and the total amount will be shown to us. By clicking the Confirm option and entering the password, the deposit process will be completed. And now our payment is in pending status, and we wait for it to be credited to our Pocket Option account. You can view the details of this transaction by clicking on the More Details option on the Manpool website. As you can see, after less than 10 minutes, our payment was successfully completed. To view the details of this transaction, as you can see on this page, you can go to the Finance section and check the history there. Stay tuned for the next tutorials about withdrawing Bitcoin with us. Goodbye.